Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. I am pleased to inform everyone that for the first time in over a decade, a significant natural gas discovery has been made. The discovered reservoir, called Malampaya East 1 or MAE-1, is located about 5 kilometers east of the existing Malampaya field. The MAE-1 is estimated to contain around 98 billion cubic feet of gas in place. Katumbas nito ang halos 14 na bilyong kilowatt-hour ng kuryente sa isang taon. Ibig sabihin, makakapag-supply ito ng kuryente sa mahigit 5.7 milyong kabahayan, 9,500 na gusali o halos 200,000 paaralan sa loob ng isang taon. This helps Malampaya's contribution and strengthens our domestic gas supply for many years to come. Initial testing showed that the well flowed at 60 million cubic feet per day. This indicates that the well has the potential to produce even more, confirming it is a high productivity resource comparable to the original Malampaya wells. Aside from the natural gas, the discovery also includes condensate, which is a high-value liquid fuel. This additional resource can help support the government's efforts for the stabilization of our power supply. Ipinagmamalaki rin natin na Pilipino ang nanguna sa drilling na ito. Higit sa lahat, natapos nila ito na walang aksidente o environmental incident. MAE-1 is the first milestone under the Malampaya Phase 4 drilling campaign, which also includes the Camago 2 and the Bagong Pag-asa wells. The next steps are the completion and testing of the Camago 3, followed by the drilling of the Pag-asa exploration well to pursue more potential gas resources. This achievement was made possible through the work of the SC38 Consortium led by Prime Energy in partnership with UC38, PNOC Exploration Corporation, and Prime Oil and Gas Incorporated. Patunay ito na sa responsableng pangangalaga sa kaligsasan at matibay na pagtutulungan ng gobyerno at pribadong sektor, makakamit natin ang mas maaasahang supply ng enerhiya para sa bawat Pilipino.